And days after Supreme Court slammed the centre over marginalised sector being hit since the vaccination is exclusively dependent on CoWIN portal, the centre has responded to the top court saying that there is no question of anyone being left out in this vaccination drive owing to the digital divide, and that the CoWIN system has been designed in such a way that states can overcome barriers to accessibility. The centre has said that vaccination coverage in the tribal districts is better than the national average. The centre also said that there is no impediment on vaccination based on availability or otherwise of digital device or internet.
After the Supreme Court termed centre's vaccination policy as irrational, the centre has filed a very long affidavit in the apex court. In this, the centre has given the detailed breakup of the vaccine that is present and the plan that they have to vaccinate the entire adult population by this year end. The centre has said that till now, 32 crore people have been vaccinated. In July, about 20 crore are expected to be vaccinated. And from August to December, they are expecting somewhere about 135 crore doses to be given to people. India has more than 90 crore adult population, and going by the calculation of 2 doses, more than 180 crore doses will be administered by this year end. The centre had earlier said in a briefing that more than 216 crore doses will be available by December end, but that in the Supreme Court has not been repeated again. In fact, the removal of the foreign vaccines like Moderna, Pfizer and the Genova mRNA vaccine has brought down the number to 135 crore. Importantly, centre has also said that there is no digital divide that is currently prohibiting any Indian citizen to get vaccinated. In fact, centre has said that in the tribal area, the vaccination is better than what we are witnessing in rural and also some urban parts. In the end, the centre clearly told the apex court that they are planning to vaccinate the entire adult population by the end of December. Earlier, the Supreme Court had clearly lambasted the centre over the vaccination policy, and from there we had seen the entire vaccination policy getting changed, and now the centre is providing states the vaccine which are being currently given to everyone in the country for free.